initiated. We have ignition.
Missile away. Trajectory nominal.
Continue descent, slow and steady.
Starboard side clear. Maintain course.
Watch the draft markers. We are in the water.
Hold it right there. We are perfectly aligned on Mark 7.
Confirmed. Mark 7 aligned.
Hold it there. Coming through. All right, bring it down 50 centimeters.
Check this alignment right here. Looks good. We are within tolerance.
The diameter is reading 25.01 centimeters.
That matches the schematic. Mark it complete and move to the next axis.
All right, driver, slow and steady. We are clear on the east wall.
Slow hydraulics on 3. Watch the clearance. Copy that. Easing pressure. Looks good.
Easy now, easy. Bring her down just a fraction.
Copy that. Adjusting descent.
Looks good. Hold position.
Bring her down slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
5 more centimeters. Easy now.
Hold. That is perfect. We are within tolerance. Confirmed. Let's log it. Okay, slowly now. Watch the alignment on the left. Copy that. Ready to push. Go. Start hydraulic torque sequence.
Torquing it now.
Confirmed. Moving to the next flange.
We need to monitor the heat input on that upper flange. It's within tolerance according to the digital readout here.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on sector 4.
Hold it there. Okay, lift slightly and move to the next section.
Easy now. Bring it down 5 more inches. We've got the alignment pin started. All right, crane, she's set. Hold your tension. Half side clear. Signal the crane. Roger that. Thumbs up. It's seated. Keep it steady now. Clear on this side. All right, secure the clamps.
The tolerances on this section are tighter. See where I marked the next housing?
Yes, I'll prep that one now. Take it down easy, watch the clearance. We're good here. Hold it right there.
Check the temperature on panel 4. It's spiking slightly.
The robot is adjusting the feed rate. It should stabilize.
Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Steady now. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Looks good from here. Lock it down.
Clearance on the starboard side is tight.
I show 2 millimeters. Slow it down.
Watch your feet, keep it coming left.
Okay, it's aligned. Start the bolts.
Make sure that one is tight. Yeah, I got it. These are heavy.
The alignment on ring 34 looks good, well within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's move on to the next section.
Keep it steady. Look at the reflection right here. See that anomaly near the coupling flange?
Pressure exceeding nominal limits. Gauge reading 1,500 and dropping. Stand by for status update.
What's the measurement on this section?
Holding steady at 20 microns.
Okay, I have that recorded.
Retraction sequence starting now.
Smooth engagement on segment 3.
Power draw is nominal. Looking good.
All right, that one's tight. Okay, hooked up. Take it away.
Careful now, easy does it. Just a little more to the left.
Move it left, slowly. That's it.
Is it plumb now?
Yes, lock it down. Easy now, easy. Looks good right there, hold it. All right, get the wrench on it. Looks steady from this level.
Copy that. Coming up on platform 4.
Okay, team, let's roll it steady.
Clear left.
Keep it centered, easy now.
Hull cradle, this is Sector 4, confirming green status.
Roger that. Sector 4. Maintain current speed.
Secure the clamps on the left side first.
Copy that. Using the power tool now.
Make sure it's tight before we signal the crane.
All right, keep it steady on the starboard side. Watch your clearance, watch your clearance.
Align the pin.
Hitting it now. It's secure.
Ready for lift, signaling the crane.
See that fitting near the waterline mark?
Yeah, logging the anomaly now.
Move the rig up 20 meters.
Copy that. Watch the clearance on the conduit.
Bring it 20 centimeters to the right.
Okay, lowering slowly.
Fasteners ready on this side.
Watch the starboard side, keep it moving.
All right, we're clear back here.
Watch the starboard side, keep it moving.
All right, we're clear back here.
Check the weld tolerance right here at frame 42.
Noted. Looks like minor pitting.
Full deflection achieved, no binding noted.
Confirmed on the tablet, angle is steady.
All right, bring it back to center. Descent continuing slowly. We have visual confirmation of the waterline approaching. Maintain current speed.
Easy on the jack, watch the pressure. She's clear, bring it out.
Check the pressure reading on the auxiliary coolant valve here.
Reading confirmed, within tolerance. I'll log it now.
Check the alignment on panel 17.
It's within tolerance according to the schematic here.
Continue descent, slow and steady.
Starboard side clear, maintain course.
Watch the draft markers, we are in the water.
Launch sequence initiated. We have ignition.
Missile away, trajectory nominal.